A unique job fair and expo in the South Bay later on this week promises to bring together construction companies and Bay Area students to look for jobs and learn more about new technology in the industry, including the role of AI in the construction industry. We'll talk about that and more with Caroline Raffetto of the construction workforce software company Lumber, which is based right here in the Bay Area. Caroline, thank you for the time. It's good to have you on. So the event happening later this week, it's called the Construction Owners Summit. A part of this is obviously a professional meeting of construction companies coming together, but a lot of these companies, they are also looking to hire people here. So how can an event like this help someone who might be thinking about a career in construction?
Yeah, definitely. So this type of event, we're not only bringing in job seekers, but it's also really open and tailored to students. So by having it at a university, makes it really easy for them to come, and we're about to see a huge boom in the construction industry. So getting all that new talent out there, very, very important.
Why should someone pick a career in the construction industry?
Well, I could give you a million reasons. We could sit here and list them out, but it's a great industry, and the community, especially in the Bay Area for the construction industry, is just so incredible and so supportive. So I urge everyone, if you're thinking about it, just do it.
Yeah, all right, so you say that we're expecting a boom. Obviously, we know that California is facing an incredible housing shortage. We can't seem to build new housing fast enough. What is the construction outlook specifically for California?
Yeah, so we're definitely going to be seeing a lot of those residential properties, also a lot of company properties and other types, but we're looking at a forecast of about $14.5 billion for the upcoming year, as opposed to other years when it was about $10 billion. So definitely a big jump.
And so the idea is, if you move into the construction industry, there's plenty of work.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Not going to be a shortage of jobs.
Definitely not.
So as we talked about, this is all, this is a job fair on the one hand, but this is also a chance for construction companies to come together to talk about sort of the state of the industry, the challenges they're facing, some of the new technologies that are available in the construction industry, which includes the use of artificial intelligence. What is the role of AI in the construction industry?
Yeah, so it's definitely a new role, and it's still evolving, but so is the whole industry. Right. So, for example, at Lumber, we use AI to automate tasks that were once manual, such as payroll, time tracking, onboarding, HR. All these tasks that once took someone a good amount of time to do, or multiple people, now are being done quickly. 5 minutes, 10 minutes at the most. So it's really opening up new opportunities to really get out there and build, do what we want to do. So it's really easy now. So
if someone is looking for a job in the construction industry, do you feel like it would be a requirement for them to have some sort of background in the tech world, in artificial intelligence?
I mean, if you're going into that role, it would be helpful, yes. Yeah. But there are many other roles where that kind of experience is not required. Okay. But definitely a knowledge of it would be a little helpful, since we're seeing the industry go in that direction. All
right, so it sounds like there are going to be plenty of opportunities, lots of housing that needs to get built. But with that being said, I mean, there have to be challenges in the construction industry. Yes. What are some of the biggest challenges in the industry moving forward?
It's actually funny you mentioned that. One of our biggest challenges right now is the labor shortage.
It's just the shortage of people.
Exactly,
that's it.
Yeah, there's projects, there's everything all in the works, but if we don't have anyone to do those projects, AI is not going to do them for us. Yeah. It can only take us so far. We need the real boots on the ground. All
right, and that's why you're holding events like this one. Are we going to see more of this sort of recruitment effort from construction companies to really just go out and try to convince people that this is the career path they should take?
Yes, I believe so. I think that's what we're going to be seeing, and especially with Lumber and with the CO Summit, the Construction Summit, this is an event that we want to start replicating, hopefully in other cities, to bring that community together and get that community jobs as well.
All right. Well, it's called the Construction Owners Summit, and it's happening at Santa Clara University, as you said, this Thursday, November 21st, between 8 in the morning and noon, right?
Yes.
And it's free for college students who are here in the greater Bay Area?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
yes.
Wonderful. So that you can just show up and maybe find a new career path in the construction industry. Caroline Raffetto with the group Lumber, or the company Lumber. Appreciate the time.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Absolutely. Claudia, we'll send it over to you.
All right. Sounds